What if the superfood you sprinkle on your smoothie every morning isn't actually doing what you think it is? At LiveWell Insights, we go beyond trends and dive into the real science behind the foods you trust with your health. Chia seeds are praised as anti-inflammatory powerhouses, packed with plant-based omega-3s. But here's the hidden truth. Most people cannot efficiently convert those fats into their active, inflammation-fighting form. Stress, aging, and metabolic dysfunction can quietly block this critical transformation, meaning you may be absorbing only a fraction of the benefit. The solution is not to abandon chia, but to activate it correctly. When paired with freshly ground flaxseed, you create a powerful biological synergy that supports enzyme function, nourishes your microbiome, and amplifies your body's natural repair systems. Today, we uncover how this simple two-seed strategy can unlock deeper healing, better metabolism, and true anti-inflammatory protection from the inside out. Welcome to LiveWell Insights, where we uncover the hidden scientific secrets behind the foods you eat every single day for health. Millions of health enthusiasts consume chia seeds daily, believing they are instantly fighting inflammation and boosting their overall physical well-being. However, many people are surprised to discover that despite their healthy habits, their inflammation levels remain stubbornly high and problematic. The problem lies not in the seed itself, but in how our complex biological systems process the nutrients found within it. Chia seeds are rich in alpha-linolenic acid, a plant-based omega-3 that is currently in a raw and inactive chemical state. For this raw fat to become a powerful anti-inflammatory agent, your body must convert it using a specific set of enzymes. Unfortunately, chronic stress, aging, and poor metabolic health often cause these crucial conversion enzymes to become sluggish and highly inefficient. Research suggests that without proper activation, only a tiny fraction of the chia seeds you eat actually reduces your inflammation. This means you might be wasting your money and effort on a superfood that your body simply cannot fully unlock. Dr. William Li, a renowned physician, has revealed a simple yet powerful strategy to fix this common metabolic bottleneck immediately. The secret is not to stop eating chia seeds, but to pair them with a specific companion that activates digestion. To unlock the full potential of chia, you need to introduce its perfect nutritional partner, freshly ground organic flax seeds. Together, these two seeds form a biological powerhouse that corrects the enzyme deficiency and supercharges your body's anti-inflammatory response system. Let us explore the science behind why flaxseed is the missing key that your body needs to process chia effectively. Flax seeds are the richest dietary source of lignans, a unique plant compound that acts as a modulator for our biology. These lignans serve as the biological signal that wakes up your liver enzymes, preparing them to handle the incoming omega-3s. It is crucial to note that you must use ground flaxseed, as the whole seeds cannot be broken down by digestion. When you grind the flax, you release the lignans from their fiber matrix, making them bioavailable for your body immediately. Now, consider the unique property of the chia seed, its ability to absorb water and form a protective mucilaginous gel. This gel creates a physical barrier that slows down digestion, ensuring a steady release of nutrients rather than a spike. When eaten together, the chia gel encapsulates the ground flax particles, protecting the delicate lignans from being destroyed by acid. This protective delivery system ensures that both the omega-3s and the lignans reach the lower gut, where the microbiome lives. Here in the gut, a miraculous transformation occurs as your good bacteria begin to ferment the fibers from this combination. This fermentation process produces short-chain fatty acids, powerful compounds that heal the gut lining and signal the immune system. These fatty acids act as a peace treaty for your immune system, telling it to stop attacking healthy tissues unnecessarily. This creates a systemic anti-inflammatory effect that starts in the gut but eventually reaches every single organ in your body. Let us look deeper at the liver, the organ responsible for filtering toxins and managing your body's energy and metabolism. The combination of chia and flax helps to strip dangerous visceral fat from the liver, improving its ability to function. Furthermore, this seed synergy significantly improves insulin sensitivity, preventing the dangerous blood sugar spikes that damage our blood vessels. When your cells become more sensitive to insulin, your body shifts from storing energy as fat to burning it efficiently. This metabolic shift is what moves your body from a state of constant defense and fatigue into a state of repair. In defense mode, your body hoards fat and keeps inflammation high to protect against perceived threats like stress or starvation. In repair mode, your body feels safe enough to focus on rebuilding damaged cells, clearing out toxins, and rejuvenating tissues. So how can you practically implement this science into your daily routine to achieve these remarkable health benefits starting today? The golden ratio recommended by experts is simple: 1 tablespoon of whole chia seeds mixed with 1 tablespoon of ground flax. You can start your morning by hydrating your chia seeds in water, then stirring in the fresh flax just before drinking. This mixture is incredibly versatile and can be added to salads, soups, or smoothies without altering the flavor of your food. Remember that ground flaxseed oxidizes quickly, so you must store your supply in an airtight container in the refrigerator. Also, because both seeds are high in fiber, you must drink plenty of water to help the gel form properly. Consistency is the key to success. These biological changes do not happen overnight, but build up cumulatively over several weeks. By making this small adjustment, you are providing your body with the exact tools it needs to heal itself naturally. You may notice improvements in your skin texture, energy levels, and digestion within just a few days of starting this. Long-term benefits include a stronger heart, cleaner arteries, and a significantly reduced risk of developing chronic metabolic diseases later on. Your brain also benefits, as the reduced inflammation allows for better cognitive function, sharper focus, and improved protection against neurodegeneration. This nutritional strategy complements other healthy lifestyle choices, creating a synergistic effect that elevates your overall quality of life immensely. While other nuts and seeds are healthy, none offer this specific mechanism of activation that solves the omega-3 conversion problem. Do not exceed the recommended dose initially, as introducing too much fiber too quickly can cause temporary digestive discomfort. Start with half the amount if you have a sensitive stomach, and gradually work your way up to the full dose. Dr. Lee emphasizes that food is not just fuel, but information that tells your body how to function and repair. By sending the right information through this seed combination, you reprogram your biology to fight disease instead of feeding it. Share this knowledge with your family, as these benefits are applicable to adults of all ages looking to improve health. Whether you are looking to prevent aging or boost athletic performance, this simple addition to your diet is universally beneficial. Imagine your cells finally getting the resources they have been starving for, repairing years of silent damage within just months. We encourage you to keep a journal of your progress to track how your body responds to this powerful combination. The difference in your blood markers and inflammation levels can be profound, often surprising even doctors during routine checkups. Nature has provided us with these incredible tools. We simply need the wisdom to use them in the correct way. Choosing high-quality, organic seeds is also important to avoid pesticides that could interfere with the delicate enzyme processes involved. Always look for certified organic sources to ensure you are not consuming toxins along with your anti-inflammatory medicine. This is also one of the most affordable health interventions available, costing just pennies per day compared to expensive supplements. To recap, we activate enzymes with lignans, protect nutrients with chia gel, and feed the microbiome to reduce inflammation. Now let us address some common questions you might have about integrating this specific seed protocol into your lifestyle. Many people ask if they should grind the chia seeds as well. The answer is generally no, leave them whole. Whole chia seeds are better at forming the protective gel barrier that we need to transport the flax into the gut. Another question is about heat. It is best to add the flaxseed after cooking to preserve the delicate oils. High heat can damage the omega-3s, so stir your ground flax into your oatmeal or soup right before you eat. As for timing, morning is often best because it sets a stable blood sugar tone for the rest of the day. Consuming this mix at breakfast prevents the mid-morning energy crash that leads to unhealthy snacking and sugar cravings. If weight loss is your goal, the fiber content will also keep you feeling full and satisfied for much longer. This satiety effect naturally reduces your overall calorie intake without the need for willpower or restrictive dieting measures. You will find yourself naturally turning down sugary treats simply because your body is nourished and your cravings are gone. Beyond digestion, we are talking about epigenetics, how your environment and diet influence the expression of your genetic code. The lignans in flaxseed have been shown to influence genes related to cell protection, potentially reducing cancer risks. For women, this combination is particularly powerful for balancing hormones due to the phytoestrogens present in the flax seeds. It helps modulate estrogen levels naturally, providing relief from symptoms and protecting breast health over the long term. For men, the same compounds offer significant protection for the prostate gland, making this a vital addition for men's health. Those suffering from joint pain or arthritis may also experience relief as the systemic inflammation in the body decreases. Imagine being able to move more freely and with less pain simply by adding 2 spoonfuls of seeds to your diet. Better sleep is another reported benefit, as the magnesium in chia seeds helps relax the nervous system and muscles. Magnesium is a critical mineral that most people are deficient in, and this combination provides a healthy, natural dose. Digestive regularity is almost guaranteed, as the soluble and insoluble fibers work together to clean the colon effectively. However, we must repeat the importance of hydration. Without water, this fiber can cause constipation instead of curing it. A green smoothie is often the easiest way to consume this mix and get your necessary water intake simultaneously. Try blending spinach, half an avocado, water, and your seed mix for a nutrient-dense breakfast that keeps you full. The healthy fats from the avocado will further assist in the absorption of the fat-soluble vitamins in the seeds. This creates a complete meal containing fiber, protein, healthy fats, and essential micronutrients in one convenient glass. For busy professionals, this is the ultimate biohack to maintain high performance without spending hours on meal preparation. This strategy aligns perfectly with the principles of eating to beat disease, focusing on addition rather than restriction. Instead of worrying about what you cannot eat, focus on adding these powerful seeds to whatever you are currently eating. Over time, the good displaces the bad, and your taste buds will change to prefer real, whole foods. We have seen thousands of people in the Live Well community transform their health by making this one simple adjustment. Stories of reduced pain, better digestion, and improved energy flood our inbox whenever we discuss this powerful seed combination. So, the next time you are at the grocery store, make sure to pick up both chia and flax seeds. And if you do not have one yet, invest in a small coffee grinder to process your flax seeds fresh. The ritual of grinding your seeds fresh each morning can become a mindful moment of self-care in your day. It is a daily reminder that you are taking active steps to support your body and protect your future health. Think of this not just as a breakfast choice, but as an investment in your longevity and functional independence. Protecting your DNA now means you stay younger on a cellular level for much longer than the average person. The gut-brain connection is powerful. A happy gut microbiome literally translates to a happier and more stable mood. Many studies link inflammation to anxiety and depression. Reducing one often leads to significant improvements in the other. Holistic health is about connecting all these dots: diet, mental health, and physical function are all deeply intertwined. It is fascinating that such a complex set of modern health problems can have such a simple, ancient solution. Nature has packaged everything we need. We just had to discover the science of how to combine them correctly. We challenge you to try this combination for just 7 days and observe the changes in your own body. Pay attention to your digestion, your energy levels in the afternoon, and the clarity of your skin. Come back to this video and let us know in the comments section what differences you noticed after your week. Your experience might inspire someone else in our community to take the first step towards better health today. If you enjoyed this deep dive, we have many other videos exploring the science behind medicinal foods on our channel. At Live Well Insights, we are committed to bringing you the latest research translated into practical, actionable advice for life. Food is the most powerful drug you can take, and you have the opportunity to prescribe it to yourself. Every meal is a new opportunity to fight inflammation, repair your cells, and build a stronger, more resilient body. Do not let this knowledge remain passive. Take action today and give your body the support it desperately needs. Just like a seed needs the right environment to grow, your body needs the right nutrients to truly thrive. You have the power to change your health destiny, one spoonful of chia and flax at a time. Thank you for spending your valuable time with us to learn about the incredible potential of your food. Remember that health is a journey, not a destination, and small, consistent habits are the vehicle that gets you there. Keep your jars of seeds visible on your counter as a daily reminder of your commitment to yourself. Invest in your health now, and it will pay you dividends in energy and vitality for decades to come. If you found value in this video, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell right now. Like this video to help the algorithm spread this life-saving information to more people who need to hear it. Thank you for watching Live Well Insights. Subscribe now to transform your health journey with science-backed nutrition advice. See you soon.